Hi guys, this is Ken and welcome to my channel. And for today's feature, we are gonna show you the house and lot for sale in Bacolod City, located at Sharina Heights subdivision. But before anything else, please subscribe, like, and comment down below para updated ka sa mga investment dito sa Bacolod. And now, let's have a tour. Let's go!
The lot area is 200 square meter, with floor area of 127 square meter. A garage area for 2 cars. Hallway to dirty kitchen, laundry area, and maid's quarter. Kitchen and dining area. Room 1 second floor. Toilet and bath of second floor. Room to second floor. Master's bedroom. Toilet and bath. Master's bedroom. Toilet and bath. Ground floor. One room located at ground floor. Living area. Mini terrace. For inquiries, message us in our Facebook page or message us at 0970 4938349.